We've all been there, middle of the day, 1% battery, and no outlet inside. Well, when it's time to buy a portable external battery, you have to choose between the largest one you can afford or going for a smaller one. In this case, I can bet you that smaller is better. Don't get me wrong, big batteries are great. I have portable batteries big enough to power my car, but larger battery banks weigh more and are thicker. Big batteries are heavy and will likely take up more space in your everyday carrying bag. They are not comfortable to hold and may no longer fit in a pocket. But what if your backup power didn't look like a boring gray brick? Hi YouTube, welcome back here. And for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs and today we have it in a product review. We'll be unboxing this 10,000 mAh creative portable charger that claims to be the only power bank you'll actually want to show off. So is it old style or does it actually have the juice? Let's find out. The only thing that came in the package are one, a user manual. On one side, this is English, and on the other side, you have Chinese or some sort of Asian language. A micro USB cable and the battery itself, the power bank. It has no specific brand. Talking about some notable features, 10,000 milliamps, dual port charging, kinda generic. It came in a carton recyclable box straight out of the tech hubs of China, and a design that definitely breaks the mold. It's a small battery bank roughly the size of a smartphone, thin and light enough that you can hold both at the same time. It features on this side the power button, one micro USB input port, which is where you charge the device, two USB 2.1A output ports so you can charge two devices simultaneously, and one USB-C input port also to charge the device. I would have loved this would charge your cell phone, but no, it inputs, not outputs. At the back, we have more general specs: model XYS-08, DC 5V 2 ampere input and DC 5V 2.1 ampere output, and a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh. To switch on, just short click the power button. To turn off, long click the power button. Charging does take some time, depending on whether you're charging the battery with a Type-C port or micro USB port. Let's talk about why you would love this portable battery charger. Well, for one, it has a high power to size ratio, slim enough to fit in a pocket, but powerful enough. But the good news is the charger doesn't drain battery quickly either. It's quite aesthetic. Great casings, vibrant colors. You can actually sandwich it with the back of your phone pressed against the battery. And last but not least, it has great pricing. Another reason you might want to have this is the auto shut off feature. When you're not using it, you forgot to put it off, automatically it shuts off. Some things you might want to watch out for is one, the build material. While they look creative, The plastic feels lighter or less premium compared to a metal housed unit from a brand like Anker or Ugreen, and of course the screen scratches easily. Another is that even though you can use it to charge two devices at the same time, you can't use the USB Type-C. This is only to charge the portable battery faster. In short, I love the way this thing looks on my desk, and the 10,000 mAh capacity is great for a day out. They're dependable, affordable, and they're always handy to have around. I live in a family of 4, so it helps us to have at least 2 of this device. That's enough to provide for the worst case scenario of everyone needing to charge something at the same time during a power outage or while on a trip. I appreciate your time here, and I hope you could get a closer look about this charger. If you have any tips, or if you already have some experience you might want to share, go ahead and drop them down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.